Hi, I am Emo with EjiTech. Today I want to talk about the cost of change, as in personal change. I guess you could say there are two groups of people. There are the people who are happy with the way things are, and you also have another group of people who are not too happy with the way things are now and want to do things to change that so that things could be different tomorrow. So in this video I'm really going to talk about that second group, those who want to see or make change. But most importantly, I want to talk about the cost of change. So the new things you have to do require effort. And that effort is the cost of change. Sometimes it means trying to do new things, or sometimes it means giving up things you do in the past. So there's something has to give. You either have to add something or take away something from what you currently have been doing to get a different result in the future. So my question is, have you figured out what you want to change or what you want different in the future? And second, have you mapped out the things you have to do so you can actualize that change in the future, so you can make that change happen? On a personal note, my change is to do things so that I could impact the lives of more people in the future with the content I create, the books I write, or videos like this. The cost to me to achieve this change is this. First of all, I have to create at least one YouTube video a week on relevant topics. The second thing I have to do is I have to take the 4 workshops and seminars that I currently have been giving for the last couple of years and create online courses based on them, or online versions of them, where people can register and take the course. Now what this will allow me to do is create content that is on demand, so I don't have to be there. People could just go online at whatever time is convenient for them, wherever they are in the world, as long as they have an internet connection, and they'll be able to access the workshops and courses that I do. Now, all those things are going to take time. It's going to mean I'm going to have to give up a few things, but that's the cost to me. And because I'm passionate about the topic and I'm passionate about what I do with my company, I look forward to what it takes to do that. So again, my question to you is this. Have you figured out what you want changed in the future? And also, have you also figured out what it will cost you? What do you have to do, or what do you have to give up so you can achieve those goals? Now, if you do have questions about this, or you have questions about how to figure out the things you have to do to get to where you want to go to, feel free to contact us. Our website is EjiTech.com, and I personally will be happy to help you get to where you want to go. Thank you once again for watching this video, and to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and goodbye.